It's in Vegas.
It's in Vegas. Off to the pool! Woo! Yeah!
In Vegas.
Let's go. Nice. Not my face, it's background. This chocolate, look at, ow, it's prickly! It's pretty, look at the shade of my arm. I'm a tropical goddess. Starbucks. I'm every YouTuber ever. Hey! Oh! Hey! I heard the pool's warm. Managed to find a couple of what are they called? Sun lounges, but we're kind of like, it's not that hot, if I'm honest. It's not like it's like really heaty. It's a bit like breezy. Yeah,
It'll get there.
it's still a bit early.
It's still like 12. It just hit 12.
Yeah, so we're just gonna lay here and try and catch some rays. The pool is absolutely freezing, so there's no way I'm going in there. Hey guys, we're just in the pool. I think he got lost, you know. Guys, so we had a really lovely time at the pool. Sherman is actually still there, catching that tan. I've come back up to the room because I'm thinking about taking a bath. I don't have a bath back in London and I haven't had a bath in months. So I'm gonna wash off the chlorine and wash my hair and just jump in the bath. Excuse my makeup-free face. But yeah, so we're having a really lovely day. I'm gonna check the mirror now. I don't know if I've actually caught a tan. I don't tan very easily, so. I mean, there's some colour. There's some colour there. But yeah, I thought that whilst I'm alone, maybe I give you a tour of the hotel while it's sunny. So let's put the shades back on and give you a bougie tour. So we come through the front door, which is here, into the room, or the suite, if you're feeling fancy. And then you head into here. That's Sherman's bed there. That's my bed there. We've got a little bedside table for a little bit. Room service. We were calling room service last night to try and find out some things. We have a TV, a bottle of Prosecco that we bought from LA, which was in a bucket of ice, but it's now water. And then we have some artwork and our little getting ready table for all our bits and bobs. A little cute sofa. And then this is our view. It's not the most amazing view in the world, but I mean, it's pretty good. You can see the top of the Eiffel Tower there. And in this direction, you can see a few things. Oh, the window's quite warm, but yeah, imagine if we could get down there. The sun is catching it right, like perfectly, no obstructions, so you could catch a really good tan. And then yeah, you can just see a couple of the hotels. There's the Cosmopolitan up there. This is all my mess. And yeah, I'm just gonna have a couple of snacks. Oh wait, let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. The lighting's a bit yellow, but yeah, this is my side with all my bits and bobs. That's Sherman's side, and then there's the tub, which I'm going to jump in now. I'm gonna probably watch some Netflix, maybe pop on a film, because I've put the internet onto my laptop. So I'm gonna probably watch a little film. And yeah, here we are, we're in Vegas, baby! Woo! I will catch you with the next activity. I'm not sure what we're gonna do this evening. Probably go for dinner and drinks, have a bit of Prosecco, la la. But yeah, I'll catch you soon. Oh yeah, I also need to redo my nails because it started chipping. You know when you go into the pool and all the chlorine like chips it away. Right, goodbye for now. Be a little bit wiser, baby. Put it on, cause tonight is the night when to become one.
Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be.
Cheers. That sunset, no. Right, Sherman and I are gonna find this sunset somehow. Somehow. Hi, YouTube. So we're looking for a sunset.
Hi. Oh my god, where's my drink?
I don't know. You left it.
Oh, I need my drink, Ebony. Guys, I love it, girl.
Oh my god. I'm gonna put that in. Okay. It's gonna go really fast. Ready? 10, 9, 12.
Look at Ebony's eyes, guys.
Sorry, I don't think we can. It's all rooms.
We've come to the highest. We're going for the exit.
Guys, look at we found this room and we just came in because it was open, and look at the view. Oh my god. We've just come into another room. Guys, look at this view. Okay, we're gonna take some pictures now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quick. Okay, we made it out alive. So bougie! We're just trying to find our Uber stop. So pretty. It must be good, yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, this is nice. Maybe this one. Thank you. So we found our restaurant. It is what's it called? Veggie Nation.
Veggie Nation.
We're at Veggie Nation, and we're just
really nice.
Yeah. She's met her for like a minute. She thinks she's hot, not nice. So we're just looking through the menu and we're gonna order. So far we've ordered starters. We're sharing some buffalo cauliflower wings.
The wine we just had, guys, was like 12%, and it's
That's up. I feel like it had tequila in it.
Did you think why I was being
That
funny?
taxi journey has made me feel sick. Anyway, we ordered the buffalo cauliflower wings and we're going to share that with the hot tamale, which is meant to be the best in Vegas apparently, so that's exciting. They're playing a bit of Leona Lewis, making me feel right at home.
Guys, what is this? Hot tamale.
So we've gone, this is the buffalo cauliflower and the tamale. Is that edible? Oh my god, okay, that's mine, I've stroked it. Sorry. Out of 10 starters.
7.
Oh, 7, that's quite good. We didn't really like these ones.
Yeah, one was better.
Those are the tamales. But we did like the buffalo wings. So considering they're vegan. Alright then. Hey. You look like you're about to cuss the... This is her happy face, guys. They're playing good music, good food. They're happy. Good night from Vegas day 2. Tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? We're going to the pool. We need to keep tanning. Do you like my new t-shirt? I thought it kind of looked like the Gucci t-shirts, but Vegas. And then I tried it on and it's like a really cool shirt dress. And I'm just wearing it with some pink sunglasses for no good reason. What else are we doing?
I know, whatever.
Whenever to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. La 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 la. So yeah, other than that, it's good night for now, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.